Most design work today is a fragmented process. It involves swapping files between Figma for layouts, Canva for assets, and PowerPoint for the final presentation, trying to keep every element aligned across different platforms. We are going to replace that manual back and forth with a single conversational agent. By using Claude Design, you can consolidate your entire workflow into one interface. In this tutorial, we will generate a data-backed investor deck from a single URL, and then transform a flat screenshot into a functional, multivariant website layout. To follow these steps, you will need a paid Claude account, a company URL to use as a data source, and a screenshot of a landing page to serve as a structural reference. Shifting to a conversational interface moves the focus away from technical software mastery. Instead of learning where every menu and alignment tool is hidden, your primary task is providing clear, specific instructions. Start by opening a new Claude Design project. Set the mode to high fidelity and paste the URL of your target company into the prompt bar. Now give it a direct instruction. Type, "Create me an investor presentation deck for this brand." The system will pause to ask you a series of clarifying questions. It gathers these details first to ensure the final slides match your specific business requirements. For this example, we'll define the funding stage as a seed round, set the length to 12 slides, and instruct the AI to match the brand's professional tone of voice. Once you hit continue, the AI generates the full deck. It extracts actual market data and product photos from the URL you provided, placing them directly into the layouts. Since the model handles the layout and the research simultaneously, it replaces generic placeholder text with relevant business logic. This makes the standard practice of starting from a blank template unnecessary. For our second project, we will use a visual reference. Open a new session, select Wireframe mode, and upload a screenshot of a landing page you like. Enter the prompt, "Create me a landing page based on this." The AI splits the flat image into 3 wireframes in parallel. Version 1 uses a centered layout, 2 employs a split screen, and 3 adds a side navigation bar. You can toggle between these hierarchies. Finally, the AI populates them with original copy, avoiding placeholder text. Extracting layout logic directly from an image lets you move immediately into the testing phase. This eliminates the initial friction of building a web structure from scratch. Once the base designs are generated, you can refine them using the chat. Leave comments on specific sections of the design to request changes to individual elements. For broader changes to the aesthetic, use the Tweaks toggle located at the top of the canvas. This menu provides sliders that allow you to adjust typography scaling and color palettes in real time. The changes are applied across the entire project instantly. You can also use the one-click toggles to switch the project between light mode and dark mode, or flip back to a raw wireframe view to inspect the structural alignment. When you are satisfied with the design, navigate to the Export menu in the top right. For your presentation deck, you can download the file for PowerPoint or send it directly to Canva for further team collaboration. For the landing page, export it as an interactive website or hand the project to Claude Code, which generates the production-ready code automatically. Because these files are compatible with industry-standard tools, you are not restricted to a single platform. This workflow ensures your assets remain portable and editable in whatever software you prefer. In a single session, we have used single inputs to build a data-driven investor deck and multiple functional web layouts. Generating layouts through conversation means the manual effort of pixel-perfect alignment is now handled by the model. You can focus on the strategy while the AI manages the spacing and geometry. Take 20 minutes this weekend to test this yourself. Run one company URL or a screenshot through the system and see how quickly you can move from a concept to a tangible asset. To stay updated on these AI workflows as they are released, make sure to subscribe. We cover the most effective tools and updates every week. Adopting conversational design expands what you can build on your own. It allows you to handle the full structure and logic of a project in an afternoon, even if you have never used professional design tools before.